Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you real life example behind the scenes and how to self-publish a paperback or hardback book paperback and or hardback book on Ingramspark, okay? Which reaches out to other book retailers out there, okay? So I'm going to click on print book only, okay? They also have print and ebook, but from what I've heard, talking to people, hearing forums and whatnot, print book option is highly recommended. Okay, that's what I hear. Okay, most people use it for that. Okay. Okay. Anyhow, yes, all my files are ready. Just even if it's not ready, I set it up this way. Okay, so you can go on to the next page and set it up and save the project. Okay. Check mark everything: print jacket or print interior, print distribute and sell book. Okay. Continue. An error occurs setting with new title. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Sometimes I notice Ingramspark has hiccups like this once in a while. So if that's the case, I like to refresh it and just try it again then. I just have to re-log in for whatever reason. Sometimes they do that. That's why. Okay, so print book only again. Yes, all my files are ready. Check mark both. Print, distribute, and sell book. Please wait. Title. What's the title of the book? 1 second. I have it right here. I mean, I could type it. I mean, well, let's just do this. Keep it simple. Copy. Okay, paste. Language, English. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. Where do you put the subtitle? You're going to put it right here. Click on 1 second. Publishing rights, no. Okay. Click on the check mark. Boom. Subtitle. Okay. Print ISBN, I do have it. 1 second. Okay. That's the paperback version. Okay, so I'm just going to come here. 1 second. Okay, got it. Find subject. Click on find subject. I'm going to type in the subject here. Moth. Let's see if it shows up. I'm not sure. I mean, wow, it does. So click anything that's related to it. Juvenile fiction or nonfiction, you cannot generally select it, I believe. I'm not sure. You could test it out. But I just do adult level and books. Add subjects. Select right here. Trade general audience. So it's specifically to that audience. Let's do pets and see what's out there. You could, for Ingramspark, you could pick up to 3 categories, okay? There you go. Add subjects. Okay. Full description. 1 second. Okay, let me do this right here. Just paste it really quick. Keywords. Okay, I'm going to type in the keywords. The thing about Ingramspark that's different than other platforms, instead of separated by comma, you got to separate by semicolons for some odd reason, okay? So I put moths. I want to cover all bases because sometimes I don't have any other idea what to type because I'm not an expert for all topics. I know a little bit about various topics, and you come to become that way as an independent publisher if you do this long enough and hire and publish and you're consistent on what you do. You meet all types of people across the internet. Beautiful through freelancing platforms like shout out to Upwork. Okay, and that's beautiful. It's amazing. Insects, butterflies. By the way, make sure to copy this so you don't have to type this again when you do the hardback version. The paperback and hardback are very similar. Okay, or you can come back here and copy and paste it too. That's cool. Moth book. Let's just keep it simple. Moth guide. Okay, I'm also gonna put my publishing brand name, HowExpert. That's it, man. Or I'll even do this. Moth, HowExpert. I don't even know. Or HowExpert Moth. Whichever. I don't know. We'll see. Continue. Actually, I should have copied it. It's okay. Okay, 1 second. Let me select all. Let me copy this just for my own notes later so I can use it. Okay, there you go. Continue. What's going on? 1 second. Oh, it must be a full description, so I guess it's too short. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just see if this works. Copy and pasting it twice. Continue. Hold on. Let me. Fantastic. Select trim size. There's a lot of sizes, right? I checked the 6x9 version because that's what I work with, Amazon paperback and hardbacks. So it just keeps the file similar. The same file for Amazon can be used for Ingramspark. Black and white is the option I choose because I'm keeping it simple. I'm a nonfiction how-to guy. Unless you're an author or publisher that focuses on design, photography, then you definitely want to use color for sure, right? Black and white, you only have to choose one. Pin pricing. 1 second. Let me show a different view. Okay, so zoom out. 6x9. Okay, black and white. Guess we're going cream. You can choose the interior. What do you want? White color, white paper, white 50, white 70, or cream. 3 options. I choose cream. I've always done it for Amazon now. Not always. I used to do white, but now I do cream. I just think it's just perception of value. Some people like prefer that color. It just looks richer. It just looks more interesting. It looks more something high quality or whatnot. It looks great, and it's a little bit thicker technically too. So I heard. Anyhow, paperback, perfect bound. For a cover, I use not gloss. Nonfiction mostly does gloss, but I've also seen matte too. People do matte. They like to, change it up. And I wish if I could look in hindsight, I could have done matte sometimes because it looks really. Now it's a style to do matte, but I stuck to nonfiction gloss, so I'm gonna stick to it for right now. Okay. The only thing a little different with my books is inside is cream. Okay. But I might want to do matte. We'll see down the line. Who knows? Gloss for right now. Okay. Matte is usually for fiction. But I heard most people is 50%, 50-50, preference wise. Okay. Page count, I'm just going to do 100 pages right now. Okay. That's going to end in an even number, I believe. And retail price for paperback for me is $19.99. Wholesale discount, I choose other, and I choose the lowest amount they allow. Okay, 30%. Okay, for US, every region is different. For return, believe it or not, most people choose yes, destroy. So yes and destroy. They don't have to charge extra to ship it back to you or whatnot. They just minus off your royalties and whatnot. So, but for simplicity purposes, I just do know. Okay, just I've had some experiences where I got returns, and I just don't want any returns anymore. Even if I should have done destroy, but it's not a problem anymore. It's slowed down completely from customer's perspective, publisher's perspective. It's been great now. I love it, but for simplicity, I'm just doing no return. Okay, no return for every region. Okay. I know I'm missing out on a lot of retailers who want the option to return, but I'm gonna keep it simple, guys. Okay, so other United Kingdom, other 35. Whatever is the lowest allowed number, I go with that. As a small independent publisher, I gotta do this. Okay, the other 35%, right? 35%. The only price 30% is U.S., Canada, and global, I believe. 35. Global. 30%. Bam. Check. check. Okay. Now, I do edit this a little bit, the price, to match the U.S. price for the regions that are similar. UK, European Union, Canada, just let it be. Australia, let it be. And Global Connect, let it be. Just the ones that are similar to US, $18.99, make it to 99. Sorry for making it more expensive, but hey, I just like to keep it simple. And $19.99 is an attractive number. Just my view. Anyhow, that's it. Publication date, whatever is current date. I change it up later when I finally publish it, the final time. I change it up to that current date. Today's the 23rd. Continue. And this will be the place where I upload the interior and upload the cover. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't have the interior finished, okay? The editing's finished, but the formatting has to be, so I don't have the PDF. They only allow PDF. The other platforms allow Word documents, but Ingramspark specific allows PDF, so I don't have the PDF version done yet. That's why I'm waiting, okay? I'm not going to move forward. Print cover as well. I don't have the print cover ready because I have to send the details. I haven't sent it. I haven't finalized all the details yet. And I'm going to send it in my design. Once I do that, I get the files and we'll upload it here, okay? Having said that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back. I'm going to show you something different. If I were to publish a paperback, this is paperback training, right? Hardback, the only difference will be this. Black and white, cream. Instead of paperback, I'll click on hardback, right? And other things pop up. And then I'll click on case laminate. Same thing, right? Glass, that's it. That's the only difference. Paperback, click on perfect bound. Okay, perfect bound is only for paperback. Hardback, I'll just go with case laminate. Okay, there's other options: digital cloth, blue, digital cloth cover, gray, jacketed, case laminate. I just case laminate. Okay, for hardback. Paperback, I do perfect bound. That's pretty much it. So there you go. And then I always have to click check mark all these 3 boxes all the time. Save and continue. Continue. So there you go. That's what I'm going to do next. Later on when all the files are done. And by the way, if you want to learn more on self-publishing to all platforms, all the major platforms like Amazon, Kobo, Barnes & Noble, Google, Ingramspark, Apple, Find a Way Voice, and so forth, click the link below the video. Check out my online course/training, Publisher System, that will show you how to do this step-by-step in detail behind the scenes for all platforms out there as an author and or publisher for all genres such as nonfiction, fiction, or low content, no content publishing, because I do have real life experience as an independent author/publisher for all those genres, okay? My main specialty is nonfiction, but I do have experience, so I'll show you how to do that if you're interested, okay? So again, thanks for watching the video. This is Ingramspark training behind the scenes for my publishing brand, HowExpert. Go check out my books as well. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.